Oh.
What are you doing in my house?
Joan, I want us to talk.
We obviously have nothing to talk about.
I disagree with you. And don't pretend as if we do not have anything to talk about. It is very obvious we have a lot of things to talk about.
Cleo. You know,
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. You know, you actually think you are smart. But need I remind you that I am way smarter. You know that, right?
I will need you to tell Chief Zach you are no longer interested. And what's funny?
You know, you could actually pass as a comedian. You should go for one of those talent hunts. You know, maybe AY or Basketmouth will find your talent. Now get your filthy self out of my compound this minute.
I will leave. But don't think it's over yet.
Get out. No wonder your
Kenny.
husband left you.
I don't blame you.
Idiots. And I do not want to ever see you in my compound. Idiots. Sharon and Litness.
She's always wanted to be noticed.
Oh, my sincere apologies, guys. After wasting our time, this is what you came up with?
What did I come up with?
I mean, we were thinking you were going to be dressed by Tiana's Empire.
You guys, please, can we go straight to the topic for today? Are we going to delve straight into the matter at hand, or we're going...
Chief Zach, I hope you know how important this contract is to us.
Of course I do.
We are known for quality, so I need a competent hand to handle this deal.
Chief, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. I'm equal to the task.
Because this is going to be a very big win for us. It is going to skyrocket our company to the outside world.
I'm equal to the task.
Yes, that is why I am very much concerned about who will handle this contract.
Chief, I am Zach. I deal with quality. Rest assured that you are going to get the best candidate of your choice.
It's okay. You and I have been doing this for a long time.
Of course.
This is not the first time. I trust you know how it goes. So let's see at the top.
Chief.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Let me run along.
It's okay. All right.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I personally want to thank you all for coming on my invitation. You want water?
I'm fine.
Obviously, she's stuck with the trash she just spewed. Because what nonsense is that? What do you mean by coming on my invitation? I mean, this is what we do all the time.
Today's on my bill.
Did you pay for the stuff we had?
Oh, come on, guys. You all know that I am the boss here. And stop feeling intimidated, okay? I invited all of you here, so let's just leave it the way it is.
Listen, Cleo. Please. Today is not the day for long sermon. It is not that day where we get to throw tantrums and get into long arguments, because what is this? This is what we do every single time. So why would you say it is on your invitation and your bill? Listen, I don't even want to start to argue with you, because you know that comprehension is a very tasking job for you.
Coming from someone who cannot even comprehend a better sense of dressing.
Oh well, I do not borrow to impress anyone, or do I?
And why are you opening your mouth? I think I have to leave. No, no, sit down. Borrow pose. Oh my God, you should have been nice to her now. Come on, why?
Come back and tell me what Chanel bag you took on Liz today. And you. Why do you have to open your mouth as wide as a gutter? Excuse you, you are a lady. You should act like one. Ew. Excuse me.
You are excused. Oh my goodness. This is the best meeting ever.
Good morning. How are you guys doing? Fine, thank you. The customer that had the red hair, did she come to pick it up?
Yes, ma'am.
She did?
Yes,
did she pay her balance?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me see that dummy head.
I'm trying to.
Sit down. Did you get the kinky I asked you to use to braid this?
Yes, it's there.
You're going to do tiny braids. Make sure you take almost 10 strands each. Alright?
Yes.
And pick this front out very well. Take.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Emeka, how is business?
Fine, fine.
Sales?
Very well.
Okay, that's fine.
Let me hang this one here. Good morning, ma.
Why haven't you cleaned my shop?
I'm on it, ma.
You're on it.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the time? See, you better hurry up, because I do not want my customers to come and meet up this shop like this.
Yes, ma.
Did you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Please hurry up.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Really? Why didn't anyone tell me that the Egyptian milk is finished? Okay, if a client walks in here and requests for it, what would you say to him or her? I have told you girls that we do not run, we do not have a store. Amazebee, I said, is where you get everything after running around the city. I mean, it's a go-to shop. By the end of today, have this restocked. Am I understood? I do not disappoint my clients.
Okay, ma'am.
Are we good?
Yes, ma'am.
You are shining this morning. Yeah, fine, yeah. I like this your new hair.
Thank you.
Hey, see big girl. Are you serious?
I'll take it. Oh, but this is fine.
Are you sure? But it's old. Come, let me tell you something. Can you imagine? My boyfriend broke up with me. A homie.
Did I not tell you? You are so demanding. And it's not proper. I mean, that guy is a young hustling guy like you. But you bill him too much.
What's that supposed to mean? Eh? He doesn't have money. And he wants a babe like me. A fresh girl like me. Eh?
Meaning?
Meaning that I am even glad that he did. Yes. And I'm not going to beg him. You know why? Because I've moved on with my life.
Now you Sabi. Please, let's work fast.
I beg, no rush me. Wait, meaning what now? Madam Geka, we will get there now. No rush me, I beg. I'll tell you better thing.
No, they there.
Fine. Yeah.
No, you for day now.
Yes, oh no.
Now you can't run.
No person switch you.
I thought you didn't send.
And I focus. Ceremony. I don't blame you.
Yeah,
Bring back, make I keep for you. Don't walk.
Give me rag. Throw the rag, come, give me. This those two dey full the shop.
Madam, walk now.
Give me rag now.
Which, let me won't give you. You're not serious.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Has anyone checked on me?
No, ma.
Okay, if anything is out of stock, do not hesitate to let me know.
Okay, ma.
Okay?
Hi, babe.
My love,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you still doing at home?
I'm just trying to be sure that these ladies are ready for today.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
These girls are just a bunch of trouble. I hope today's meeting goes well because I'm tired of them.
Babe, they are your circle. You just have to bear with them while you continue being you. Okay?
I know, right? It's okay. I have to get going before they will cut my ears off.
I'll just be inside.
Pretty soon.
Okay?
Oh. I'll see you. I hope they don't cut off my head.
No problem.
I'll
Wish
see you
you
soon,
well.
baby.
Oh, God.
Have you seen it? Sharon and lateness. She is at it again. Didn't I tell you?
I don't know what she takes us for. Is she the only one that has business?
Which business? No, what are you saying? A business she has a million staff? She's doing this on purpose. She is intentionally doing this. Trust me.
I think it's time I start emulating her. Because I can't be coming here to wait for somebody else. I can't.
Emulating who? As your role model now? No, what are you saying? So, okay, I will wait for you. Clean your mouth. You're not just happy, I swear. You should wait for me. It's time you will. No, don't try it. What's your problem? Don't try it. What's your problem? I don't like I can allow me to start with you now. Oh, don't start with me.
Father.
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 I knew you would come if I invited you.
Sit down.
Thank you very much, Father. Oh, great.
I was going through some deals here.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Father.
So, we will be doing this for 5 weeks.
This is about the best step the company has ever made, Father.
You know that when I'm no more, you will be the CEO of this one as well.
Come on, Father.
That is why I am doing my best to make sure I give it a solid fit.
But Father, not anytime soon. You're not going anywhere. But me, not anytime soon.
I know, but you never can tell.
Please.
My sincere apologies, ladies. I am super late and I apologize. Please.
You know you always want us to notice you.
Come on, you ladies know that I'm always super busy. So why are you saying that?
We are all entrepreneurs, please. Girl, I mean, unlike you, you have a million staff in your shop, so you don't actually need the stress. You're stressing us out. I mean, we were actually waiting for you, girl.
Well, I try to keep my staff in check. Unlike most of you who don't even find the time to stop by your business places.
And you know we all have people replacing us in our offices. You mad and workaholic.
Are we going to sit here and whine like swines, or are we going to go straight into the topic?
You were the one that told us you have something important to discuss with us. Get on with it, ASAP.
Oh, well, yes. So, this is it. So I sat down and I thought about something that we can do to improve visibility for our brands, and I felt that it is necessary for all of us to come up with an idea for a very good publicity to expose our brands to the world.
You have a tiny space with a million staff. So you actually need the publicity.
Exactly.
Everyone knows that I am the best skincare plug you can think of in town. I mean, everybody knows me. I'm actually dragging publicity with Fiana's Empire, so you need the publicity more.
And you all know that I'm the biggest boutique owner in this town. Cleo's Empire. After Tiana, I don't think I need any publicity.
What is all this pride and cockiness for? Listen, ladies, even the biggest entrepreneur in this country still needs to stay relevant. Why can we not put our prides down, put our heads together, and come up with something that can keep us up there and relevant in business?
You are the one who suggested it. You need it. I do not need it. Period.
I don't. Unless you and Juan.
You is ruined.
What else do you
You're
want me to
really pissing me off. You're beginning to piss me off. You know
I'm
that?
not.
She needs the publicity, man, not me.
Hello, young ladies.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
My company is looking for an entrepreneur that deserves the sum of 50 million naira award contract.
Oh.
The contract will be awarded to the entrepreneur that will come up with the best vision.
Really?
Everything you need is in this file. Have a nice day.
God really does answer prayers, you know. Like he literally read my mind.
Let's see.
And knew what I wanted at this time. Listen, this is going to help me expand my business and...
Can't we see why she acting as if?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We appreciate.
Yes, we really do appreciate.
50 million naira.
It's a lie.
Chief John's company. My goodness, damn.
Wow, I am in.
I am bloody in.
What is this? 1 second. What do you guys mean by I am in? I am bloody in. What is this nonsense?
Oh, well, I don't know what Joan means. All I'm saying is this. This contract must be awarded to me. And you guys should just step down from this race. Okay?
God. You both know that I am good with this influencing thing. So y'all just chill. Take a chill pill because it's mine. It is mine and mine alone. Okay? Give it to me. Give it to me. What is wrong with you? Give it to me.
Please, at this point, I put it to you that both of you must at some point lost a screw.
This is mine. I don't know what...
Well, let the best player win the game.
Run along with her.
You can go with her.
Why don't you go with her?
I said you can go with her.
Have you ever influenced before? Let me ask. Have you ever? Did you even go to your shop?
We can do this together. Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah, we can. We can do it together.
That's my son. Thank you so
Father.
much.
Thank you,
You're
Father.
welcome there.
Ma, you alright? Ma, you...
Do I look like I'm not fine?
$50 million with Chief John. Someone I have been dying to have him look at my business. And here the opportunity comes. Cleo and Sharon should better back out.
Why should they parana?
No go keep quiet. Eh? No, say madam get ears everywhere. You just they talk, pa. She get ears how? Now you want tell her? I bet I do bad thing. Wait, that thing what the fight?
I better come on for you. They showed no interest. All of a sudden, they realize and wake up from their slumber. I brought it to these girls that we should find a way to expose and do publicity for our various brands. But they said no. You needed to hear the things they were saying. The other one was saying, well, I am way better than Tiana's empire. The other one was saying, I'm next to Tiana's empire as long as business is concerned. I mean, they said they don't need exposure. They said they don't need publicity. That I'm the one who needs publicity. And all of a sudden, they pop out from the blue with interest on this contract. They should better give up.
Babe, not as if you're going to do anything to them, okay? Look, this is an open opportunity for anyone, okay? Babe, listen, if you want to show them you are the best, then submit the best credentials.
I just love you for this, baby.
I love you too.
Thank you. You know, I never really thought of that. Didn't really think of that. But now I know better.
Where's your logbook?
Let me get it, ma.
Hurry up. Take my jewelry, son.
Okay, ma. Are you done, ma?
Yes.
Okay, ma.
As my business is, Imagine the addition of 50 million from an influential man who will not just boost my business in terms of financial, but will bring in more customers and also make my business solid. Cleo, you need to think, because this is not going to be funny. Think. Cleo, think.
Honestly, you do okay. You dey work. No wonder you be madam favorite.
Don't talk like that. You two, they sabi work now. See, I don't dey work with madam for years. Now why she no fit do without me now? I be her closest staff.
That woman is good.
You dey talk say she dey good. Wait now, you two, you dey new. You never even enjoy that woman, no. If that woman come on mind, now why I no fit leave am o? And she dey pay. She dey pay on time. She no dey delay.
Especially that money part. She no dey owe anybody. Only it's don't reach time, and she don't pay you.
Now I say that woman, she dey sabi, she sabi pay.
Yeah.
The thing be say, just dey nice, dey submissive, dey work. You go enjoy that woman, so tey you go dey fear, say why this woman dey nice, why she dey nice. Just dey work. You go see am now.
You no need tell me that one. I just dey pray say make she continue to make plenty money so that we sef, you go benefit inside.
Amen, oh,
You
amen,
understand?
amen. Na the matter.
I gats go house. I got plenty to deliver tomorrow, so now I go rest more. Man, gather small strength.
No wahala, we go see tomorrow.
No wahala, we'll see tomorrow. Yeah. And don't forget that thing I tell you. I bring her for me. Yeah?
I don't hear.
Uchechi. Uchechi. Uchechi.
Emeka, you're back.
Back.
How was work?
My dear.
Oh, God.
I have never been so tired in my life.
It's well. Look, there's not any easy work anywhere. Okay?
I know, right? How was your day?
Nothing much. I went out with Nena.
Oh, really? How did that go?
No time for gist right now. Let me get you a seat first so you can sit and relax while I prepare food for you to eat first.
Oh, you prepared food?
Yes!
I've said it.
Because I don't want you to faint. Just stay here.
Please hurry up.
Relax while I get you something to eat, okay?
Thank you, my love. Please hurry up before I faint here.
You won't.
Hey, what?
Yes. I hope your wife is not there. Are you sure? Yeah. So when are you buying it for me? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. All right, maybe when I come back from work today. All right, bye. Miss you. When did that one start? When did what start? When did you start following married men?
Hi! This girl, you dey fall my hand. You dey fall my hand. Listen, let me tell you something. If you want where you'll be taken proper care of, date a married man. Odoguji cash spender. They are the best.
All right? Are you being serious or are my ears paining me? I don't understand.
Yes, of course, I'm serious.
Oh, so now you follow married men?
Yeah.
Are you not planning on getting married?
At least not for now. For now, I'm still enjoying my life. I am still chopping cash. You better join me.
Keep enjoying until the day their wives will lay their hands on
Oh,
you.
dear God. You're one of them now. I better not spoil my mood. Don't even start.
I just pity you.
Pity yourself.
I pity you.
Pity yourself. Are you serious? I love you too. So when are we seeing? I'm not busy. I'm free. Yes, I'm free. Yes, baby.
Madam, wetin dey worry you? So you know say this phone don dey ring for you, say customer dey call am since?
And what stops you from taking the call?
No be you dey selling position. So make I dey run from inside come here come dey pick call and you dey here.
No be the same salary they pay to two of us. I mean, not me and you they work for. See, you see this call I'm taking is very much important to me. I am speaking to my odogu, so don't call me and distract me. If it too do you, take the call, pick it, answer. You hear me?
I just pray say make you no end up losing your job because of this.
Holy Ghost fire, now you will lose your job. Disgrace. Answer. Baby, don't worry. Now one stupid mumu get away there with me. They work.
Good day, ma. Yes, ma.
I'll call you back.
Okay, yes, ma. Oh, the scrub. Yes, it's available, ma. Oh, all right, ma. Yes, we're waiting for your patronage, ma. Thank you.
Better person. Aproko. Don't ever try this rubbish again. Yeah. Do you know how much I'm cashing out from here? Mungu.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I'm here to see Chief Zach.
Okay. Please, is this okay?
Not exact. Hello, Chief.
Oh.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm one of the ladies you met at the bar the other day.
Oh, my working class lady.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I will be on my way. Good. Let's go.
Okay, after you, sir.
So how about the final part?
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Hey, Apam. This body scrub. How many pieces did you make that?
What did you just call me?
Like the face cream, I know it's 22 pieces.
Go and ask Abam. I don't know.
Oh, hello.
Good day, ma.
Yeah, good afternoon. Is your boss around?
No, ma.
She isn't. Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
I see.
Oh, why don't you call her?
I have been calling her and she wouldn't pick up her calls. I don't even... You know what? Never mind. I'll find a way to reach out to her, okay? You have a nice day.
Thank you, ma. Bye.
Thank you. Please, that lady that just left here, do you know why she came?
Pardon?
I'm sorry, I mean the lady that left with Chief Zach.
Ma, please, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm asking because he's my uncle.
Oh, welcome, ma.
Thank you.
I guess he has an emergency. He just left. Or you come back.
Don't worry, I'll call him on the phone, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, please, what's your name? Don't worry.
How did your meeting go with them?
I didn't meet any of them. And neither did they pick my calls. Cleo is even worse. Her number wasn't even connecting.
It's okay.
No, it's not. I need to find a way to reach out to them and talk to them and ask them to back down from this contract. I don't want to start struggling or dragging anything with any of them. I'm wondering why all of a sudden they just decide to develop interest in this same thing that I want. I need to speak to them, so it is not okay that I cannot reach them. I think Chloe blocked me or something, and that's a very unreasonable thing to do.
Honey, it's okay. I have told you to stop bothering yourself. Okay? Just do what you know you can do and leave the rest for God.
Easier said than done. But it's okay, I've heard you.
So can I continue?
Thank you for always trying to make it better. And thank you for the foot rubs. That is quite soothing too.
Nena, where to? I'm taking food to Emeka. I perceive he might be hungry.
Really? No, wait, are you really doing this?
I cooked and I know he hasn't eaten. Is there any problem?
No, safe journey.
My friend, be going. When I return, I'll see you.
Hey!
Be going, I'll see you when I'm back. Please, be going. What's this? You want to remain in my house? You understand? Stand on that. Please, be going. There's nobody in the house. You want to land steady. What do you want to do there? Go.
Cleo. Tell me, what are you all about? What are you doing? Huh?
I should be asking you this question.
You know, I don't know what exactly you're aiming at or what you're all about. But I want you to step down.
Joanne, this is a 5 weeks game. So let's play it and let the winner be announced.
You know, this is just you. No wonder you had a failed marriage. Because you were playing games. Everything about you is games.
And how dare you talk about my marriage?
I am going to talk about it any way I like. If you do not step down, there'll be more coming for you. Capish? Get that?
You want to try me?
You want to beat me? Come on, bring it on.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I'm for real.
Right in front of my house?
Back down. And I'm not going to warn you again. Back down, Cleo. Back down. Idiots. Fool. If you do not back down, girl, you're going to get more from me. Trust me.
Make sure you don't bash my car.
Both of you can excuse me now. Uduak, you know that you're my personal assistant, and I trust you more than anyone else in this store. This coming weeks is going to be very busy for me. I will hardly come to the store. I need you to put your eyes down. Put your eyes down on everything in the store. Treat every customer well. I don't want them to feel my absence. Not because I'm not here now, we cannot do business. And make sure you keep your eyes on those two. Hear me? You know how it is when you make me happy. You know I always give you a very good reward.
Ma, since I start to do work, you'll be the only person who don't treat me well. I will try my best, ma.
It's okay. You can call your colleagues. You guys can go back to work.
Okay, ma.
I was told you came to my shop. What's the occasion?
I didn't just go to your shop. I went to Cleo's. And why are both of you not taking my calls? I want us to talk.
Listen, I'm not here to say anything to you, okay? We have 5 weeks to, get the money. So let's wait until the time.
Joan, needless the pride. I want us to talk.
Talk about what exactly? We have absolutely nothing to talk about. We have 5 weeks to prove ourselves, so let's see who gets the money.
Joan, what's all this pride about? Why can you not give me audience?
Please leave my car, I need to go. In 5 weeks, we'll talk. Leave now! Okay, you don't want to leave? Okay.
Uchechi, is Emeka ready to marry you?
I don't understand. What kind of question is that?
I mean, the way you go about this boy these days, you know he's just an ordinary staff.
Who cares? He loves me and I love him too. Is there a problem?
Uchechi, I'm not saying he doesn't love you. See, all I'm saying is, love isn't blind anymore. So if you must love someone, I mean, he should be someone that can solve any problem at any given time.
Hey! See problem, oh. Since when did loving someone become a crime? And then I'm asking you, since when?
I'm sorry, yo. I'm just saying. But do whatever you like.
My friend, shut up if you don't have anything to say. Or you go to your house.
Really? I should go to my house because I'm advising you?
Never advise yourself, finish.
Son,
Father,
how many applicants yet?
About 10 actually. But I'm equally suggesting we shut down the website. At least that could cut down the disappointment from more people entering.
What makes you think that among the 10 persons, we will get one that will give us what we want?
I'm not too sure, Father, but I believe out of the 10 we could find one who is slightly eligible.
It's okay. Go ahead and close it. But make sure you send a message across to all the people that deserve to know.
Sure, Father, I will. On my way out, I'll stop by Chief Zach's office and I'll tell him your decisions.
Is that right? Please do tell him to be very careful. Because you know that the success of this deal solely depends on him.
Sure, I will.
Anyway, I'll still call him.
All right, Father. Have a great day, Father.
You too, son.
Good day, Chief Zach.
Oh,
How are you, Chief?
Adams, I'm fine. Good to meet you. Yeah, you're ready?
Yeah, I'm right.
Chief Johnson's son.
Hi.
Hi.
The name is John.
Adams.
Like Adams in the Bible.
Oh, come on, you can say that again. It's
Nice
fine.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, I'm here to officially tell you that we are shut down website. As a matter of fact, we have 10 applicants already. So, my dad advised that we shut it down too. Yeah.
Anyway, she's one of the applicants.
Oh, yes, I am one of the applicants.
I see. I should be looking forward to your presentation.
As a matter of fact, I would like to have your card or your number.
My card in the car. Oh, you are one lucky girl.
I'm always lucky. Everyone say that.
I see.
Adam.
Yeah, Chief.
Let's see.
Okay.
I'll see you.
Yeah, sure. I'll see you around. So, Chief Zach, as a matter of fact,
What is it? Why are you looking at me like that? Very soon, take you out of this chair. Cute.
You just want to spoil me. Really? Ah. Yes, I like the one. I love it, serious. Thank you. Really? Okay, don't worry, I'll call you. I'll call you. I'll still call you.
Chisom. Chisom. Every time you are here, you're always making call. How would you know when a customer walks into the shop?
Are you not there to attend to them? What did I do to you? What is your problem with me, precious?
My problem with you is that this is your only source of livelihood. Eh? Now that your village people are trying to bring your leg outside, you better tell them they didn't see you.
I don't blame you.
Every day, every time, the same issue. You can't even come and join me to clean. Eh? Anyway, I don't blame you. It's because madam don't come out. And it's not past all these married men. Just less married men. Until the day their wives will deal with you. Just fire. Rubbish.
The few ladies I've had conversations with are full of potentials.
oh, amazing. But I hope they all went through the process before we shut down the website.
Of course they did.
Okay.
I'm glad most of them are women because women need this empowerment. In that case, we can eradicate prostitution from our society.
Chief, you quite having a point there, but I disagree a little bit. I think both genders need this empowerment as a matter of fact, because men, if they don't have a source of livelihood, fraud becomes an option. So I mean, you see the reason why both genders need this empowerment. It's a win-win eventually.
You're right.
On that, Chief, I've got to take my leave so I can go cover up some few stuffs. You know the days are fast approaching.
Adams.
Chief.
You are a replica of your father.
Thank you very much, Chief.
Have a great day.
All right, Chief. Have a great day too.
Dams.
Looking at me one I just complete it now. My dear, this is life. You wanna go?
Wait. Where did you get the money you used to buy such an expensive room?
Did you not see me make some calls before we left? Did you not? Of course I asked them to pay, and they did. My dear, enjoy life. This life is too short for you to be doing this and be
This
forming unhappy.
road you're traveling to is too risky.
Until the judgment day, allow me to enjoy. Understand?
There is an adage that says, every day for the thief, one day for the owner.
And who can they enjoy? Not be the thief. For now, allow me to breathe. Allow me to enjoy. Did you not enjoy the food?
Mecca, I'm sorry, okay?
No,
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
no, it's fine. It's okay. Ew.
Your spoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me help you with the water.
Thank you, my love.
Is it nice?
You're the
Thank
best
you.
cook I know.
Thank you. Emeka, do you love me?
Why are you asking me that?
Nothing. Just answer me.
Baby, you know I love you. I love you so much. See, I'm just waiting to make big money so I can take care of you properly like I'm supposed to. Do you understand? So can I eat my food now? Thank you.
Hope you're enjoying your food.
I have to go. I'm late for work. Don't worry, when I come back, I'll eat, yeah?
You didn't even drink your water.
I'll drink when I come back, eh?
The lady that claims she's my cousin.
Anything you say, Chief.
So, what is it that you want this time around?
I know my friend Juan has been coming here.
Yes. So is to every applicant.
Now, Chief, you can say that. You can say that. I know my friend Juan. Oh, Chief. Your head is so hot. You see, anytime you need a place to rest your head on, just call me and I will give you rest. No. You don't need to stress yourself. Whenever you need me, just give me a flash and I will come running like a loose dog that I am.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, I'm a dog. I love you, Chief.
Clear, clear.
There is this lady that I don't ever want to see her anywhere close to these premises. I don't want to see her anywhere close to my uncle again. Did you hear me?
I don't understand what you're saying, ma. I mean,
I am talking to you, giving you instruction on what to do, and you are here giving me excuses. Are you okay? Do you want to lose your job? Here's a picture. If I ever find out that she comes anywhere close to this office or anywhere close to my uncle, I will pressurize him to sack you.
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. You little rat. You've lost it.
Cleo, what games are you trying to play? What are you all about?
And who are you to question me how I lay my eggs?
I showed interest in Chief first. You and I know that I am happily single. What exactly are you doing? Tell me. Huh?
So this is what this thing is all about, right? Chief Zach is mine. And I will give it to him the way I want to give it to him. And he will give it to me the way I want.
Gosh. Ew. You're just a shameless slut. Like slut. Now let me tell you something.
Okay.
Chief Zach is my man. Okay?
Did you just call him your man? Someone who doesn't even know your surname. You are calling him your man. Can't you see you are insane?
We shall see.
Try me and that will mess you up.
Guess what? Emeka and I will shock you.
Sorry. Where have you ever seen broke shock someone before?
Meaning, how much do you even have?
Oh, Chechi, I know I don't have any. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract. I mean, have you ever seen negative and negative walk in the same route together? Never, darling. It is always negative and positive. So now that I am negative, that's why I will wait for that positive to locate me.
You must be very stupid.
I agree, Uchechi. But let me tell you list of people that can marry. Just focus on me and listen. AA and AA can marry. AA and AS can marry. AS and AS cannot marry. Broke and broke cannot marry. Broke and rich can marry. I am hungry and let me see what I can do. Cannot marry. I am hungry and send your account number. Can marry.
You must be very mad. Where did you even get these stupid talks from? Or let me ask you. Or is it a crime for a woman to make her own money?
As I no can get, Unko. May I keep myself?
Then wait for your level.
Uchechi, is everything okay? Uchechi.
I think so. I don't know.
Are you sure you don't know?
I've been feeling somehow lately. What?
Nothing, no.
Do you want to swallow me?
No. Uchechi.
What?
What are you going to do now?
I don't know.
9 months.
Which one is 9 months?
What's going on? Why is your face like this?
She's pregnant.
You say she's what? How?
Ask me. When you do and you don't know.
Which one is how?
How are you pregnant? Why are you pregnant?
Bring down your voice. You're shouting.
I'm not shouting. It's just how I react. What type of problem is this one? Babe, how are you pregnant now?
I'm not ready to keep this thing.
If I'm not ready to keep what now? Hi. What do we do now? Why are you even... What type of thing is that? How are you pregnant?
Emeka, you're being too sober. What's bothering you?
Nothing, I'm fine, I'm okay.
Talk to me now. You say nothing, you're fine, you're okay. Talk to me. What's the problem?
Nothing much, not just family issues.
Yeah, sorry. It's everywhere. Just no say no condition there permanent. My advice to you is just to choose happiness over whatever that is making you sad. Yeah?
I'm trying. One thing I know if you do not to pretend. I know if you do, I can't do it.
I wish say Madam Day, she would just give you off day.
No. Now the work, they even help me to focus. Oh. No, I know if you stay off from work. Oh. Come to think of yourself. I don't miss Madam presence.
You don't miss and pass me on. You don't miss and pass me, honestly.
I pray she gets whatever thing she wants to get.
I pray so too, because she deserves it and a lot more.
You too, you deserve it. You're a nice person.
I bet maybe they go, which kind of nice person?
I'm serious now, you're a nice person.
Thank you, Fred.
This matter, thing just did bother me since. I don't just know what to do.
Calm down, everything will be right.
Chechi. Are you sure this thing will work?
What do you mean by that? Do you want me to keep this thing inside me? Is that what you're advising me? Or do you want my mother to die before her time?
I don't mean to sound hurtful, eh? But you would have taken preventive measures. Why didn't you guys use protection at first?
I told him. But he insisted we do it raw.
Raw kwa.
Emeka must give me money. He must give me money to clean up this mess. What else? I'll just...
It's okay. Let it do, just work first. Eh? 9 months. 9 months. Chai.
Sharon, I can't believe you're dragging this contract with me. I am talking to you.
What's your aim exactly? What is wrong with you? Your name is Cleo, right?
Exactly.
Sometimes I think your name should have been Dog.
And what's the meaning of that?
Yes, because you always bark like a dog. What is it? What is this nonsense about? You call me here for a meeting that has no aim. All of a sudden you're interested in a contract that both of you clearly opted out from. You all know that from inception, it was firsthand. I was the one interested in the contract. All of a sudden, everybody's jumping like a toad into the contract. Huh? Besides, both of you, how come no one has picked my calls in the past days? And all of a sudden, you're calling for this meeting? What is the sole purpose, actually?
Okay, just relax. Okay, take a chill pill. Listen, I called for this meeting for a reason. You know, I actually thought the fight was against Cleo and I until I realized you're in a picture. Of course, I know that it's actually a useless fight because you need to drop down for me. No company will want to invest in your useless assets.
Exactly.
Excuse you.
I'm not done, darling. I'm not done. So stop wasting your time and resources looking for electricity bill and other documents to support your nonsense. So back down. Back down, both of you.
You must be very stupid.
I am?
All of a sudden, you're not doing good anymore? I thought you said you were the biggest brand in Africa.
I am.
So what happened? How come you're just rushing to get 50 million naira? You're supposed to be bigger than it. Listen, I do not have time for this rubbish. You hear me? Both of you are just are just two stupendous nincompoops. Huh?
I won't tolerate any form of insult from you.
Otherwise, what would you do?
You want to try me?
What are you going to do?
I don't know what you two are all about. Just drop down for me, okay? I need this. I need this.
Else, what are you going to do? If I do not drop down, what are you going to do?
You have to drop down.
Else,
you have to drop down as well.
Why?
Zed. What?
Sharon.
Shoe shits.
I want you girls to step down for me. As you can see, this contract is awarded to me already.
How is it awarded? Excuse me, how is it awarded to you?
Oh,
you are not in the right position for you to announce it. You can't even announce it. You don't even have the right to announce it.
You're staring at me like you can bite. If you try it,
what is going to happen?
You, my darling, are going to wake up in coma. That's if you are going to wake up.
Good afternoon.
Who amongst you is talking to my friends?
I don't talk to any of them.
So how do they know?
Okay, ma. Now that the way you call me for NEPA bill, so I asked everyone if they know where the NEPA bill was.
And?
That was all.
That was all?
Yes, ma'am.
That was all. Why the stuff I asked you to keep for me?
In the drawer.
Emeka, I'm not ready to listen to any of your stories. You need to act very fast and you need to do what you have to do so I can take this thing living inside me away. Is that too much to ask?
I am trying now. Yeah? I am trying. See, just give me small. I will raise the money. Just be patient with me, please. Eh?
I should be patient with you. I should be patient with you till the whole world finds out that I'm pregnant, Emeka. I should be patient with you.
But where do you want me to take 100,000 naira from right now? I have to look for it. Just give me small time. I'll work it. See, I'm working on something. Do you understand? I'll get the money for you.
Oh, spare me that, Emeka. I've heard you, but you have to act fast. You have to act fast, Emeka.
Okay, I have heard you. I have heard you. Just give me some time.
You caused all this. You caused all this, I told you.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry, I caused it, I'm sorry.
Please, I don't have time to listen to you.
Chichi, I'm still talking to you now.
The next time you're coming back here, make sure you come with the money.
Well, you're not done talking.
Please get out.
Uchechi. Hey. Where do I take 100,000 naira from now? What type of wahala is this one?
Chief Zach, I hope you are careful and watchful.
Like I always delivered, I will do the same this time.
Because I am thinking that by now, they should have started sending in their presentations. Or, don't you think so?
Maybe most of them are yet to come up with something presentable. I think we should give them more time.
Chief Zach, send a reminder. Or better still, let those who are ready send in theirs. We don't have the whole day.
Okay, I will do that right away.
Please.
Chichi.
You won't come.
So did he later give you?
Give me from where? He doesn't have any money.
But where do you even expect him to get 100k from? Emeka, he's just an ordinary staff now.
So you're telling me that Emeka has not been serving since? He's not been serving all this while?
What do you expect? He has other responsibilities. Eh? But let me ask you, in case this plan doesn't work, what is your second alternative?
I don't know. I don't know. I can't think of anything.
So have you had anything to eat?
I'm not hungry.
Oh, now, you should eat something, eh? You need strength. You need strength for the due day. Eh? I mean, in case this plan doesn't work, so that you have strength to push. Eh? You need strength, though.
I think you have to start going.
I'm just feeling concerned now. You know it's not easy to push.
Start going, my friend. Stop this rubbish.
Sorry. I'm just concerned. 9 months, child.
Come on, no tell. Guess you hurry up. Ah. What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what are you doing here?
This is my workplace now. You want me to sack me?
So when you got me pregnant, you didn't know?
Keep your voice down now. Why are you shouting?
I need money. I'm tired. If this pregnancy gets to 3 months, I can't abort it anymore because it might lead to my death.
Where do you want me to get 100,000 naira from right now? I don't have it now.
So I should do what? I should keep this pregnancy. I should keep this baby.
Why are you shouting? Okay, listen. I'm working on something. Very soon to materialize it. But for now, just give me small time. I will get you money. Come, start going.
Don't drag me.
Start going. Wait first. Start going.
Don't push me. I'll go on my own. You better look for the money and keep. I don't want to keep this baby.
What type of problem is this one? Just be going first. Why? Nah, this girl will do for problem. Yeah.
I'm tired of waiting here. What kind of rubbish is this? Look, you see finish Emeka, they see finish so.
Calm down now.
Emeka, why did you say I should wait for you here?
I see. I was able to get 50k. What will happen now? You just hold this one now.
50k? What can 50k do, Emeka? What can 50,000 do?
You just hold this one first now. I will get the rest later. But for now, just hold this one now. This 50k.
You get the rest later. Emeka, 50,000 cannot do anything. What on earth are you even saying? I should just hold 50k first. What am I doing with 50k?
Collect it first now. He said you bring the remaining one later.
Yes, now. I will bring it. Just hold this one for now. Because
I can't be stressing myself when I have someone like you.
It's just for clarity's sake and professionalism.
No, Daddy. Clay here is more than classy. I have given you what is more than that presentation. You can have me so I can be in your book.
You're already in my good book, but I still insist you do.
And what is your problem?
What business do you have with Joanne, Emeka? Oh, you better start talking right now.
Madam, I beg.
What business do you have with her?
Na devil hand work, madam, I beg. I dey sorry. I'm very sorry, madam. I no want do am before. Na devil hand work. Na devil just push me, say go do am, go do. I no want do am before, madam. I dey sorry, I beg. I take on him, beg you, I beg.
You're such a cute man, you know? You're Sharon's worker?
Yes, I am.
I have a deal for you. 50,000 and free sex.
Madam, I beg. I don't tire. I want to go house now, I beg. If they want me, I'll be waiting.
Do I look like I'm playing with you? Do I look like I'll stand here and be playing? I'm serious.
Okay. What is the task?
I want you to monitor every Sharon's movement especially concerning this contract.
Madam, I want to do that one now.
You work closely with her, so easy peasy. Hop in, let me drop you off.
Huh? I don't know. My house is just close by here, so I'm fine, thank you.
You get back to me?
Yeah, I'll
Can I have your number? Your number. I'll send you a text. If you're ready, get into the car.
Emeka.
Don't be so now. Don't be so. I'm not trying to understand what's in the try.
Listen to me, young man. You see this door here? I don't ever want to see you close to it again.
Madam, I beg, help me. I beg.
Do you hear me? If I see you close to this door again, you will have yourself to blame. And both of you, if this nonsense repeats itself, you all will not like me. Get your filthy self out of my store.
Please, don't sack me, please.
Get yourself out of my store!
I don't have anywhere
Get
to
out!
go, madam, please. I beg, help me.
Get your filthy self out of my store!
Help me beg, madam.
Idiot!
I know this is just a waste of time. This is just a total waste of time because that money he gave to me cannot do anything.
What do you want him to do again? Eh? I mean, we both know how we got this one at the first place. So give him time.
Oh, stop it. The more you say I should give him time, the more angry I become. And you know this is pregnancy. It grows every time.
I know, eh? And before you know it now, it's 9 months. Ah. Besides, I'm hungry, oh. What should we cook now? Maybe rice or porridge yam. Or even that cocoa yam.
You're just mad.
Oh.
You know, say, this thing we make her do, it shocked me.
It shocked me past you.
Like, how can Emeka snitch on Madam like this? Madam na the best boss who I don't ever work with. As in, Emeka game mind. Carry Madam secret, go to tell another person.
My sister, you know shock you reach the way it shocked me. I don't actually know what pushed Chimo.
You know, the other day they tell me about family problem, family pressure. But no people think go make him do that kind of thing now.
No, leave him get family problem. Everybody get family problem. I bet that one business.
This one don't teach us lesson, no. Maybe because Madam get eye everywhere. Because how will Madam even know say Emeka go talk that kind of thing?
You know, even get time. Let me, I will even be close to customer for any reason. Because customer they get wahala for so much. Now me they tell you.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this, Emeka. How can you be this stupid? How can you be so stupid? I remember telling you vividly to be very careful.
I was careful. I don't know how she found out.
So what are you going to do now?
I have no idea. I have no idea. Right now, my only source of income is gone. I know how hard it was for me to secure that job.
You blew it to the dust.
Blew what to the dust? You caused all this. You pushed me to accept that offer. Now look now, look now, look now.
Don't you just shout at me. Don't even think about it. Now, let me ask you. Where were you supposed to get that money from?
How could you be so careless as to get pregnant? Why did you get pregnant in the first place? Eh? You get a girl your age, you don't have sense. You don't even know when to get... Nah,
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
This is my madam we are talking about. I can't betray her like that.
I know. Me too. Not like I want you to, but we don't have a choice. You just have to do this and just give her every move your madam makes and bring the money back home.
I'm so confused right now. I don't even know what to do.
Look, Emeka. It's not like she's going to kill her after all. Your madam is your madam. She won't find out.
I guess you're right. I mean, the money is all I need, so I just have to...
We need.
Yeah, all we need.
Okay. You can go. Tell her you've accepted the offer. That you do it.
Okay, I will.
Okay. We have to act very fast as possible. Okay?
Alright, I'm ready. I have to get back to work now, so I'll see you later, okay?
Take care.
Chichi, why on earth did you advise him to do such? Eh? What if he gets caught?
Emeka is not a baby now. If he can't handle this little task, that means he's not man enough.
This is betrayal, and I am not part of it. If you ask me, the madam has been nothing but a good fellow.
Then let him get the 100K from his madam. Look, Nena, this is just a lifetime opportunity that needs to be grabbed. It's not like he's going to kill the madam or something. Emeka is not a baby. Wait, Nena, I thought you were on my side.
Yes, but anyways, he can do it.
Simple task. Emeka, you should be ashamed of yourself that you could not carry out a simple task.
Why are you so ungrateful? You pushed me into doing something. And right now, I'm the only one bearing the consequences.
Next time, use your instincts.
Well, I'm very sorry for whatever that has happened. Emeka, don't worry. You'll get a better job, okay?
So, how about the remaining 50K? How do I get it?
Now. Uchechi, be considerate here. He just lost his job.
Are you being serious right now? I just lost my job and you talk about 50K. Are you mad?
See, you both should not pretend as if you don't know what you are going to use this money for.
You know what? At this point, I am tired. So, what will happen now is, you will give birth to the baby. Whether it is a he or a her, I will kill it myself. I will squeeze it. In fact.
Emeka!
Calm down now. You guys should calm down.
Emeka!
It's like you want to try me. You don't have to talk about 50K.
Emeka!
It's your father that gave me 50K.
Before you know it now, it will be 9 months already. I'm counting, no. I'm counting. It's kicking inside, though. Don't forget it's kicking.
Nena.
Joanne, how dare you, Joanne? How dare you get across to my staff? How dare you get in my business? How dare you, Joanne? What am I talking about? Are you crazy? Listen, if you do not stay out of my business, you will not like me the next time. Nincompoop.
house.
That bloody fool. I told that idiot to be careful. So after sleeping with me, he got caught. Joanne, you need to think. You just got slapped for free. Okay.
Oh. Honey, welcome.
Thank you, baby.
I did not get you on phone.
Can you believe that Joanne paid a Mecca to spy on me?
Why is she crossing her boundaries? Why? Honey, this is getting out of hand. She should be arrested for this.
Nah, trust your wife. I gave her a piece of my mind.
Good.
I gave her a warning of her lifetime. I'm not sure she will try that rubbish again.
I trust you. Why is she going extreme? Why? This whole thing is just for the meantime.
It's just about the contract. You know, they're like bees. It's all about the contract. I'm sure that by now she must have thrown herself at the owner of this contract, and I really don't know what my fate is. I know what they can do. They are just two desperate people. I'm just worried.
Listen, honey. You don't have to, okay? Just do your best, okay? Do whatever you know is gonna help you, is gonna make this possible. I know definitely God will stand by you.
Amen.
Just believe.
My presentation is tomorrow.
Oh. Have you gotten all you needed?
Yes, but I'm nervous.
Yeah. It's a normal thing. Okay? Like I said, do your best.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay.
I will need you to help me get the contract.
And like I already told you, it's not in my hands.
You have some kind of influence. After all, he's your father.
Yes, he's my father. But you need to understand that my father has actually handed this to somebody else to take care of it.
I know. Come on, you need to help me.
You see, I'll choose you over and over again. But my hands are tight.
Really?
But you need to understand.
I need to understand. After sleeping with me.
Oh, come on. Not like you didn't sleep with me. Oh, yes, you had a piece of me. That's fine. I'll help.
You will? Oh, my days. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But so just, I'll help get you the deal. But I mean, you just...
Come give me some shit. I need you to come here. Come
okay,
here.
just...
Come here.
Slow down.
I know.
Uchechi, I can't believe you pulled this through.
Don't you know me again? I told you I have my plans. Wait, oh, how on earth do you think I'll settle for that poor boy that calls himself Emeka? What for?
But this is unfair.
Hmm.
Now he has lost his job.
That one is small, safe. How I wish I was able to get that 100K. Hey.
Uchechi. So you were never pregnant?
Pregini? Hey. Am I stupid? See, Nena. Let me tell you something. Grab every opportunity that comes your way. Any boy that wants to be stupid or useless with his life, help him achieve his goal. Just the way I did mine. Don't you want to eat? Eat chicken, oh. It's sweet.
I'm good.
Are you sure you're good?
I'm fine.
You that likes food.
I know, I like food. But you see this 50K own. Eat it alone.
It's sweet, oh. Okay, take this one.
I'm okay.
Don't want. Nena.
Uchechi, I said I'm okay.
You're swallowing saliva. Okay, take this one.
Chief. I want to be very sure that this contract belongs to me.
As long as I'm concerned, no one is dragging that contract with you.
Chief, do you want another round? Huh?
No. Let me rest from the one we had.
I'm just going to give it to you like, Chief. My Chief. You know I'm a tiger. I'm a tigress.
Of course.
I'm gonna give it to you.
I trust you.
Chief, you are the real deal.
Of course.
You are the real deal.
Of course.
What is it? What is the problem? Who they check out? I said who they check out? Are they crazy? Are they mad? Are Papa they mad? I have secured everywhere. As in, I have secured everywhere. I have them in my hands. See, if front no work, back will definitely work. Are they mad? Nonsense. I mean, when I get that rubbish.
Cindy.
Sir, welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope everything is okay during my consistent inconsistency.
Everything is in order, sir.
Fine. If anyone come looking for me, tell the person I am not available for now. I have a lot of works on my table to finish up.
All right, sir, but what if the person is important?
Whomsoever may be, tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Excuse me, ma. Excuse me, ma. How can I help you? Please, Chief Zach is not on set.
I thought I've warned you not to block my way anytime I want to see my uncle. Do you want to lose your job?
But he's not in there.
Do you know who I am? I don't need your permission before coming to see my uncle.
Madam, Chief Zach is not around.
I'll be right back.
Uchechi. Uchechi.
Nena, you're welcome.
Emeka said he came looking for you today and he did not see you.
Yes, I did not want to see him.
Now. Uchechi, you've done a lot to this boy.
Nena, it's time I see him so I can tell him face to face that I'm no longer interested. Ogini.
Nothing, no.
Were you not the one that said I should stay away from Emeka?
And my mouth will not kill me. I know I said so. But this is becoming too much. First, you lied about being pregnant. Now you're trying to leave him in his trying time.
You can have him if you want. Let me tell you something. This is what I do. This is how I survive here. Emeka is one of the poorest guys I've ever met in my life.
I can't believe you're saying this.
I think I need to see him so I can tell him that I'm no longer interested in all the shit.
Anyways, I came to eat and check up on you at the same time. What did you cook?
You know they cook for your house. It's now food you sabi. I did not cook anything.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, please, I'm here to see Chief Zach.
Is he expecting you?
I want to submit my presentation.
Oh, okay. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Sir, she said she wants to submit her proposal. Okay, sir. He said you should see him in his office.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good day, sir.
Good day. And you are?
One of the ladies that hopes to be awarded.
You may sit.
Thank you. Sir, actually, I look forward to being rewarded this contract. Please.
How about if I tell you that I have my candidate?
Even though I will be a little bit sad, but I won't fight it. Again, I just want to plead with you to take a closer look at my application and see what I have achieved. Actually, I run a business that is one of the biggest by the grace of God in this environment. I have graduated a lot of people for the past decade that I've been in business. My clients ranges from poor, middle class, and very high class individuals of the society.
Miss, or Mrs., whatever you call yourself, I don't have that time to look into your presentations. Please use the door and submit to the lady at the reception.
Actually, sir,
You had me.
Thank you, sir. He asked me to submit it to you.
Oh, really?
Yes, please. Please, can you help me talk to him and let him know that I am the best candidate for this?
Okay. Tell me about it.
I run a business that is known globally. A business that has graduated way over 20 people yearly. A business that gives value for your money. You know, unlike the notion that high-class salons are made only for high-class people, I try in my little capacity to change that notion and let people know that high, middle, and low class can function together in the same environment. If I get this contract, it would only, open up doors for young entrepreneurs who are not, buoyant enough to see themselves through the level that they want to in this line of business that I do. I will help them develop their skills and make them who they ought to be, not just to themselves, but to the society at large.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
In as much as I am not in a position to decide, I'll talk to him about it.
Can I count on you?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have a nice day. I beg to take my leave.
All right, you too.
Cindy.
Sir?
Anyone that is coming with his or her presentation, collect it from them. I will be busy inside to attend to anyone.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
I won't even lie. That reception today was bad. I feel so sad.
Honey, I understand. Okay. I ordered pizza for you already. So why don't we go inside while you wait for the pizza?
I don't want to go inside.
Please? Let's go inside. Or I help you with your bag. And this is the jewelers.
And my shoe.
Okay, let's go.
Since this carry me too.
I've done everything. So let's go.
You carry me. Carry me.
Okay. I have all this now.
Will I use you? Will I use you?
You use me. All day. I know you're happy now.
Emeka, look, I just want to be frank with you. This thing between the both of us is over.
Chechi, please don't do this to me now. You know you are all I have.
Hey! Emeka, let me tell you something. I was never pregnant. And I can never ever be pregnant for you. Not even in my dream.
Wait, what did you say?
I was never pregnant. Although I needed 100K. Thank you for the 50,000. Now take your stupid self out of my compound.
Uchechi, you lied to me. Uchechi, you lied to me. Do you know what I went through for you?
See.
So you'll be like... Do you know what I did for that money? Do you know what I did for that?
You know Emeka is not one of those guys that will just let you be. Sorry. Let's go to a nearby pharmacy, to get painkiller.
God will punish Emeka wherever he is.
Now you sabi. If I were him, I would do worse. That is thievery. You stole from him. After stealing from him, so this is the only thing he could do to me. I would have killed you with my bare hands.
So whose side are you on? Mine or his?
The side of truth. You don't play with people's life like this. First, you lied about being pregnant. And now he lost his job, all because of everything. Sorry.
Please, help me to a nearby pharmacy. Let me get painkiller.
I mean, this is the result of the chicken and the beer you were drinking the other day. This is the result. Sorry. When you eat alone, this is what you get.
You don't go to the government. If you are joining me now, I'm going to beat the two of us.
Thank God I didn't join you. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go and get painkiller, Sorry. 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 Sorry.
Why do I have to submit the presentation?
Look at it from this angle. Let it not look as if you got on a platter. I mean, you really don't have to explain to the company how, you know.
Then why am I sleeping with you in the first place?
To fucking get the award.
So what's the point of submitting the presentation?
Okay, say, to be on the safer side, actually.
Well, I have nothing to worry about. I mean, I'm in no competition with anyone. Well, am I?
Right. Of course you know. You're not.
Okay. Well, we live in a no stress zone. I just go with the vibes. Everything about me is just, by myself. Because I know I'm going to get the award, right?
Sure, you get the award.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get it.
101%.
Who is?
Nena, please. Help me beg Emeka for me. Please, tell him to stop following me. He's following me everywhere, threatening to kill me. Please.
It's your cross. Carry it alone. God knows how many guys you've done the same thing to. Now God don't catch you. You've met your type.
But this is how everybody survives in this life. Moreover, I didn't beg him to fall for it.
And you're still not remorseful. Uchechi, you're still not remorseful.
I am. Honestly, I am. Please, just help me talk to him for me. I have changed. Look at me very well. I'm a changed person now. Please. He's following me up and down. Please, I will never try such again. It's the devil's work. Please now, Nena.
I've heard you. I've heard you. Every time it's the devil's work, it's the devil's work. I've heard you. I will try.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Besides, you should be begging me with maybe coke, with goat meat. Eh? I should be sipping something.
I don't have money again. My 50K has finished.
Your 50K has finished. Ah, woof. I will try my best.
You really have some guts. I'm sorry, ma'am, but I'm just doing my job. What is it? I was instructed to receive all proposals, please.
Chief.
Cleo.
I came to remind you that I own this contract. I hope you know that.
I know, of course I do.
Don't forget all the stars. All the ones you said you've not heard before.
Reduce your voice. This is my office.
We're both safe. But Chief, don't fail me. Chief. Yes, I can be dangerous. And I can also kill. So don't fail me.
Hello, ma'am. Are you not submitting your proposal?
And what do you know about proposal?
I'm sorry.
What kind of mess have I gotten myself into? How do I split this into two places?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Yes, my name is Lucky.
Okay.
I'm here to present my proposal.
Oh, great. Let me have it.
All right, here you go.
Okay. So don't worry, we'll get back to you, okay? Yeah. All right. Amazing.
I understand, honey. I know the kind of hard work you put in is not the reception you're getting. I mean, it's so disappointing. Look, honey, great people go through tough times. Okay?
Do you know what it means? That you start to build something. And right from the beginning, you already know that you are going to fail.
Listen, you are not going to fail. It is not over yet, okay? Just relax. Listen, even if you did not win, that still did not make you the best. You are the best of all. Relax, okay?
He didn't even give me audience. I mean, okay, well, he did initially, but then all of a sudden everything went cold.
Listen, honey. Go on. It's okay. It's okay.
Juan is a bitch. A big one. I should have known this. But nevertheless.
Good day, ma.
Will I get away from my face?
Sorry, ma.
Go to my car, go and get me my drink.
Okay, ma. But your car key. Oh, okay. I know where it is.
Chief, I have a very disturbing news to share with you.
And what could that be?
Is there no way we can share this 50 million naira deal into two?
Chief Zach, what are you talking about? Of course, you know that this is not possible.
Chief, I know. I have two people who are qualified. That is why I'm suggesting that we should split the deal into two.
Chief Zach, no. What will the international body think of us? That we are joking? Just 50 million naira contract to one person. And we cannot handle it? No.
Chief, the reason I said it is because I have done everything within my power to find the best. Both of them are good. These girls are good, Chief.
Chief Zach, you are a professional. Chief Zach, something must be odd about one person. Do something different. Set a test. Or give them another task. Because two persons cannot emerge as the winner of this contract.
Okay. I will try. I will try my best.
Please do.
I will try.
See, that time I told you I had family issues.
Uh-huh.
It was my babe. She was pregnant and I had to look for money to give to her to take care of it. We're not both ready to become parents yet.
Emeka, are you stupid? How can you get a girl pregnant in this time of the world? How could you?
Look, I know. See, the pressure on me was just too much. I had to look for money to give to her. And it turns out the stupid girl wasn't even pregnant. She lied to me to get money from me.
That's bad, though. Yeah, so sorry. Sorry.
Look, as I'm talking to you right now, I don't have a job. I don't have anything. I can barely feed. My own is finished like this now.
Oh.
Do you think Madam will take me back?
Eh? No, I don't think so. I don't think she will. But you can just try. There's no harm in trying. Just try. But I hope you have at least learned your lesson, so.
I've learned a lot too. Plenty.
Okay. No problem.
Right now, I don't even know what to do. I don't have anything to eat. Since morning I've not eaten. I'm just walking around looking for...
Sorry, let me be going. I'm tired.
Okay, I know you're tired. But then if you can, you just help me talk to Madam small.
No, I cannot talk to Madam. You come and talk to her by yourself.
Well, even if it's to tell her that...
Where is that stupid slut? Where is she?
Madam.
I said, where is that nitwit walking here?
Don't
Oh, It's you. So you are the one disturbing my husband? Hey, now.
Hey, madam! Madam, it's not me. Is it? Hey! Jesus Christ!
Madam, you think you can real my husband? Idiot. I'm done with you.
Please,
shut up. Shut up.
Madam, wait, please.
Yes. I'm going to
Madam!
Sorry, my husband.
Madam, wait.
I'm going to kill you.
Madam! Hey!
Come back here. Come back here.
Ma, hope all is well.
I'm about to lose 50 million naira contract. And you are asking me if all is well.
Oh, Ma,
Do I look okay to you?
sorry, Ma. But you've not even submitted the presentation because I saw it in the draft.
Shut up your mouth.
Sorry, Ma.
And don't say what you don't know.
Come back here. Come back here. Madam, stay away from my husband. He's following you. Stop making him follow you. Stop making him follow you. Stop making him follow you here. What is this? What's going on here? This is your madam. Wow. It's beginning to make a whole lot of sense now. This one, your madam. This one, that has slept with all the politicians in town is your madam. Excuse you? You are excused. What the hell are you doing here? And you're so freaking lucky I did not bring down this whole place. Warn this your nitwit. The next time I see her close to my husband, she'll be dead. To your duty post. Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going to? Duty post. Your duty post. Yes. I give you 3 seconds to leave my shop. Do you know how hard I have built my name? Do you know how hard it took me to build this empire? Do you know how hard it took me to get to this level? You want to spoil it? Leave my shop.
I'm sorry. It's the husband that is following me.
And you can't say no. You can't, because you cannot close your legs. You want to spoil my career, right? Get out, leave my shop. I said leave my shop.
The husband that is stopping me, not.
No, wait for me. I'm coming. Wait for me.
Ma, please, I'm sorry now. You come and beg her now, please.
Go first now. Go first. Okay, Boogie. Go first.
Oh, where would you want me to go?
First.
Madam, I'm sorry. Ma, please, I'm. Okay.
Go and beg her. Where's my bag?
Ma, I'm sorry.
Later.
You know nothing about winning a contract.
Sorry, Ma.
And you are here saying what you don't know.
I'm sorry, Ma. I was only trying to help.
Next time, mind your business.
Okay, Ma. This is my only source of income.
Not like as if I didn't warn you. I warned you. I warned you about following all these married men. But you chose not to listen to me.
Can you just stop blaming me? Stop blaming me and help me now. This is the only thing I'm asking you. Just help me, please.
Well, Madam has a very big contract that she's trying to secure. So she won't accept you back because she doesn't want anything that will spoil her name.
And you know it's very hard for someone to get a job in this town. What will I do now? Just help, just beg her. Beg her for me.
Wait, all those money that those married men has been giving to you, you can start a small business with it now. Or what have you been doing with them?
There is no money. Let me just tell you the truth. There's no money for business, eh? You know now, they only buy me clothes, bags, all those stuff, especially food. There's no money for business for now.
Hi! I am speechless. I don't even know what to tell you. So you mean all those I love you, I love you, I love you, you've been doing in my front? You've been sleeping with married men just for food? Eh? You're a disgrace. A very big disgrace. I am ashamed of you.
Stop blaming me now. Which one you are ashamed of me? Just help me and beg madam first.
Oh.
Help me and beg her now.
I am not.
Eh?
I will not help you.
You help me now, please. Sorry, next time.
No, I won't help you.
I'll collect money for business.
Stop following me before madam will
Please
see two of
now.
us together. Don't touch me.
Next time I'll collect money for
I
business.
said don't touch me.
Just
I am not
beg her
begging
for
her.
me now.
I am not.
Now. Are you not
Please,
my friend?
Stop following me before madam will see
Which
two of
one
us together.
what will I follow?
Stop following me.
Help me and beg madam.
Stop.
Okay, I promise you. Next time I'll collect money for business. Even for
when I've been warning you.
You don't need to
Stop
warn me again.
following me.
I've learned my
Space.
lesson.
Space.
Space how? Are you not my friend?
Oh.
Honey, don't tell me you're still thinking again. I have told you several times, stop thinking.
I'm tired. I'm tired and I have given up already. The fight is now between Cleo and Joanne. I don't have the energy for all the drama anymore.
How? Honey, you want to give up easily like that?
I can't with Cleo and Joanne. I can't. I have done the best that I can do and it seems like my best is not good enough. Both of them are just... I'm tired of them. I've done my part. Now, it looks as if it's not going to work out. Gone are those days where you would get things on merit. Nowadays, it's about who you know, who you have slept with, or who you can sleep with. And I really don't have the time for all that nonsense.
No, I understand, honey. Listen, you still don't have to give up. Okay? If there is any other thing they will be needing, or maybe accreditation, make yourself available and give it to them. Do you understand?
I've heard you, honey. That's fine. I would like to stop by at the shop later today.
Are you sure you won't be needing more rest?
I'll be fine.
It's all right. I have to go not long now, okay?
It won't be long.
You're missing me already, okay? I miss you too. I'll call you later.
Madam, I am sorry. Ever since I start to work, now only you don't treat me like human being. I'm sorry for letting myself get brainwashed by that woman. I'm sorry, madam.
Have I not warned you never to come to my business place? What are you doing here?
Madam, until you forgive me, Bikono, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Okay, you're forgiven.
Huh?
Yes.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
You may leave.
Ma?
I said, get out of my shop. Forgiving you doesn't mean that I'm giving you the privilege to work here again. So use the door, please.
Mama, you said you are forgiving me. I just want to come back to work. Bikono.
Listen, if you do not leave here, today is not one of those days that I start to yell and scream. I'm going to call the police on you. Both of you get back to work.
I
feel like I've gotten my life back. I'll never fool any man again. Emeka was such a beast. I can never forget that day.
You cannot forget because you did him dirty. Yes.
He's not the first person I've tried such with. Why was his own difference?
Humans have different ways they react to stuff. So you should be lucky he has left you, my dear.
All the same, I just pray God should forgive me. I'll never try such in my life again.
Well, he has already. Oh my God.
If you had eaten that chicken with me that day.
I'm gonna eat that chicken with you. You're so lucky you didn't blind one of your eye, or maybe by now your tongue wouldn't be there anymore. Yes.
But I shift.
How am I even sure I'm going to get this contract? Have you spoken to your dad? I mean, have you convinced him?
Not really. I just need more time.
More time?
Mm-hmm.
We don't have time. I mean, it's fast approaching. You need to convince your dad.
I know, but I don't want to make it look like I'm throwing you to my dad.
You throwing me to your dad?
Of course.
What do you mean by that? Are you not sleeping with me?
Oh, come on. We're sleeping with each other, or are you not enjoying the sex?
How dare you?
Oh, come on, we're sleeping each other. That's what it simply means.
I said, how dare you? What do you mean by that?
Oh, listen, John, quit the knocks. Okay, listen, I'll do what I have to do. But if it doesn't work out, I mean, don't push the blames to me.
You better work out. For your own good.
Or are you threatening me?
Threatening you? My baby. Let's just say you try convincing your dad so that I can get this contract. I mean, he will listen to you, his son, and everything will be good. I mean, I thought you said you dig me.
Oh, baby, I dig you so very well, which I like the sex part. So don't you like the sex part? Okay, so I'll try.
You try?
Mm-hmm.
You better. You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. I just want to inform you to prepare for the worst.
What do you mean by that?
Like I said, the award is meant to be given to just one person.
Okay.
I have you and some other people that are qualified. But then, what I'm trying to say is that should in case it doesn't work out.
You bloody swine. What are you spewing from your mouth? What are you saying after sleeping with me?
Lower your voice.
I should lower what voice? How do you mean I should lower my... Don't play with me. Don't try it. You don't want to see the other side of me. Don't try me.
Chief, I hope everything is all right. You asked me to see you here.
Yes, Cleo. But things are beyond me now.
I don't understand what is beyond you.
Cleo, Whatever that comes out, just accept it with faith and move on. I have done my own part.
Chief, I really don't like these words that are not straightforward. Chief, can you just go straight to the point?
Like I said, I have you and few others that are qualified as you. But the award is meant to be given to one person.
Okay.
I am just here to perform you. That it might not be you.
What a clown old man you are. Chief, the last time I checked, you are in charge. And your word is final. So you will pick me over anybody and don't allow me to repeat myself.
Shit. That bitch of a girl. So she's the reason for this nonsense. Chief Zach, not try me. Don't try me. If not...
Good day, sir.
Yes, what is it? How can I help you?
I'm sorry, I came for accreditation.
Will you get out of this place this minute? What accreditation are you talking about?
I'm sorry, sir, but I was asked to come for accreditation today.
We have closed. In fact, we have closed the entry. No more accreditation.
But I got a message to come for accreditation today.
Are you deaf? Leave my office this minute. I said leave! I said leave!
Is everything okay now?
Yes, I think he's just having a bad day.
What rubbish. I'm here thinking of how to settle this two on my neck. And you are here, coming from nowhere, talking about accreditation. People who deserve it haven't even seen not to talk of you. Let me see who will enter my office again. Talk about this nonsense. Rubbish.
Oh, but were you able to be accredited?
No.
Okay, please give me a moment, okay? Okay.
Have I not told you to? Oh, Cindy.
So, I can do the accreditation if you're not chanced.
What nonsense accreditation are you talking about? Are you the one that will award them?
No, sir.
As far as I'm concerned, they are just wasting their time. Anyway, you can go on with the accreditation. That is, if you know the necessary questions to ask.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Madam Sharon.
Yes, please.
So, what plans do you have for this company if you are awarded this contract?
As a matter of fact, I do not think that your company has come across someone like me before, because yes, I am an entrepreneur of large scale. I will use this contract to empower a lot of people. As a matter of fact, in over the past 1 decade, I have empowered if I can remember correctly, approximately over 50 people. So this is like a channel to empower a whole lot of people.
Well,
baby. Come on, what is wrong?
You're asking me what is wrong? Your father has a say who will win this award. As much as Chief Zach is in charge, but your father is superior. Why can't you help me convince him? Why can't you talk to him? What is the problem here? But you can talk to him. Convince him to give me this. This is a matter of life and death. Listen, this will be like a lifetime blessing to me. I don't want to lose it. Please help me.
John, why are you worrying too much? Listen, I already told you to calm down. I've got everything sorted out, trust me.
You have everything sorted out? And I'm not seeing signs. I'm not seeing anything.
What signs are you looking for? I mean, tell me, what signs exactly are you looking for?
Listen, you need to help me convince your father. Please, if I lose this contract, something might happen to me.
Listen, I'll try. Okay? Come here.
I didn't come here to have sex with you, please.
Come on, are you just gonna keep me hanging? That's torture. Come here, baby.
Please, I have things to do. Get to work. Convince your dad. Excuse me.
Honey, all I need right now are your prayers because the competitors are already so excited and acting like their names are printed on the slip as winners.
What if they end up being disappointed? What if?
Why am I even bothered, Seth? The man stated it categorically clear that they have a winner for their prize. So I don't even know. I'm just here because I don't want anybody to say that I did not try.
You believe that?
Do I have a choice? I'm tired. I just can't wait for this whole thing to come and go. Let me rest and focus on my little business.
Oh, you believe that?
Do I have a choice? Don't have a choice. She just come and go. Let me rest. Me, I've tried. Everybody too tried. Anybody they want to give their money, they should give. That man looked me in the eye and asked me out of his office. Me, Sharon. Me.
Honey, in all of this, you are innocent.
But why would he even do a thing like that? Why would he look at me and ask me out of his office just because I haven't given him what other people have given to him? Why?
Do you want to sleep with him now as well?
Where's that coming from? I can't do a thing like that.
Honey, be proud of yourself, okay? Listen, you and I know that whosoever they give this does not deserve it. And you are doing far way better than them. So relax, okay? Relax. Oh yeah, smile.
You sure do know the right things to say to me to, get me out of my sad mood. And thank you for being very supportive, honey.
Like I said, I'm always by your side, okay? I'm always here for you.
I don't understand what you mean.
Chief Zach, all I am saying is, since you have too many qualified people on your table, making it difficult for you to decide who is and who is not qualified, I can present you with just one person to work with.
You know your father will not appreciate that.
Oh, come on, Chief. Come on. It's between you and I. How would anybody know about it?
What if the person doesn't meet up with the qualifications?
Oh, Chief, it's me we're talking about. I know who is qualified and who is not qualified. This person is more than qualified and fit for the contract.
Adams, I still maintain my no. Already I have winners, though I'm yet to decide between the two.
That's the problem. You're yet to decide, and I give you just one option to work with.
And I say no.
Yes, because I was wondering why I did not see you as planned. It's all right. I'll call you back.
Father.
Yes, Chief Zach called through. I got the message.
Father, he said he's got 2 people he's indecisive about, and I have just one person. Is it too hard to comprehend, Father?
Adam, you know that these things don't work like that.
But Father, there are room for changes, aren't they?
Yes, there are rooms, but not on this one. But that is not why you're here.
So why am I here, Father, if I cannot take decisions of my own? Aren't I your son? The next CEO in the making.
Son, you have been part of this deal. You have been assisting in making decisions. But this one, no.
Can I go now at least?
Sure.
Ma, please, are you here for the accreditation?
What? Excuse me.
Cleo, you should accord me with some respect. How dare you barge into my office just like that?
Chief, what else are you hiding from me? I've seen every of your package. So there is no courtesy here.
What do you want?
Just to be sure I am the chosen one.
I have told you what is on ground. Haven't I?
What did Joan do that I haven't done for you? Or does she ride you more than I do? Come on, Chief. This is just a simple task that only you can tackle. This award is for me, and only you can make it happen.
This is a very hard decision for me to make.
You chose to make it hard. Just take a decision and make me the winner, then you have your peace.
You know what? You will have the award.
You see why I love you. I will forever love you, Chief. You don't know what you have done for me. Let me just go home and wait for the due day. I love you. I'm talking to you. Take my bag to the car.
Excuse you?
Are you deaf? I said you should take my bag to my car.
Uh-huh.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, ma.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma. Ma, we don't miss you.
I know.
We don't miss you,
I
ma.
miss you guys too. So beautiful. Ah, thank you. What's been going on? That lady that had that wig, did she come to pick it up?
She came, but ma, that lady na wahala. She caused a lot of wahala here.
I thought as much. Anybody in her shoes could have maybe even done worse. I'm glad that you handled it.
Thank you,
amicably. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, ma. Ma, the contract, how has it been going?
It's going good. They will announce the winner in 2 days.
I'm positive, say you will win the contract. Ma.
Positive, Papa, look at this one. How can you be positive? Please.
It's okay. Ma, you're shining,
Ah, you are shining too.
Thank you.
Later on, prepare your sales book. I'd like to see what you've been doing.
Okay, ma.
All right.
Baby, your selling is not encouraging. Listen, I already told you you don't have to be bothered. I already spoke to my dad and Chief Zach also.
I am not certain about it.
But you have to believe me. Come on, come to daddy. I've missed you a lot.
Well, nothing is going to happen between us until I am being called the winner.
Listen, come on, you can't do this to me.
I'm already doing it. I mean, watch me squash this shit.
But already I showed you.
Nothing is going to happen, like I said, between us until I am called the winner.
Okay, but you have to make me think straight. Come on now. Please. Come here, please. Come, baby, come.
Well, let's just call this the last supper.
That's more like it. Okay.
Pull your shirt.
I'll be quick to do that.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am super glad and excited to be before you today to receive this honor. My name is Sharon, and I just want to say thank you for all of you who believe in my vision and my dreams, and I can promise you that with the grants that I have received, I will open doors and opportunities.
What is wrong with you?
Baby. You know, the announcement for the winner is in 2 days, and I'm sincerely wishing that I was the one. I would have given them a mind-blowing speech.
I understand. Listen, whatever emotion you feel right now is normal. The due day will come and go, and the winner will be announced. The winner will go home with a star prize and every other thing that comes along.
I know.
That does not end this award for you.
I wasn't expecting you.
Yes. It just occurred to me to come and see what you have come up with.
Of course, you know I don't disappoint.
Chief Zag, you know that all eyes are on us. So we can't afford to disappoint the people, especially the international community.
Of course, I know.
Okay, now tell me, what is this thing special about the person that you chose? I mean, there must be something unique about him in your heart. Are you okay?
I have this chronic cough. I think I will treat it once we are done.
It's okay. It's okay, Chief Zach. You have to leave early today and go and take care of yourself. We'll do this tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you.
Sit down. Good, okay? Alright. Take it easy, okay?
Okay. Keep the water, I don't need water.
I'm sorry, sir.
And as long as there's life, more opportunities will keep coming your ways. And you keep growing bigger and bigger and bigger.
I know. Can we all meet tomorrow and plan out how you all will celebrate me when I'm being announced the winner? Cleo, what is this mad one talking about? What
She
is
said
this
that to you?
Every single thing I read out here for you now. Can you imagine?
Honey, what will happen is you will go and see her. Okay, just go and celebrate with her.
And if I don't?
No, I don't want it to look like you are against her. You are against her.
I'm not against her. But at least I know how she got it if she emerges the winner. I know she didn't get it on merit, so why should I bother myself?
Honey, if you do not go, everyone will be pointing fingers at you. Okay? Go and celebrate with her.
Well, I will. Lest they say I'm an enemy of progress.
I swear.
Meanwhile, for the meantime, come, let me go and make use of you for now.
Oh, Chief!
Oh, Joe.
How come there's no one here?
It's lunchtime.
Ah.
Anyway, let's go inside.
No, there's no need. Let me just go straight to the point. Am I getting the contract or not?
Okay, fine. You are getting it.
I know. So, I'll see you at our usual spot, right?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Good day, sir.
So nice to have all of you here. Out of the 10 persons that applied for this award, fortunately, it's just the 4 of you that qualified. So that's a good one. My very first time of seeing you people, and it's my pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I really want to thank you for being able to put all these things in paper. I also want to apologize in advance to everyone who is not fortunate to win, because out of the 4 persons here, it is just one person that will win this award.
Of course.
And I would like to call on the winner now. She has proven herself worthy that she is trusted and trusted.
Please, I would like to call on my daughter, Cindy, here to tell us who is worthy of this award. Cindy.
Chief, I thought...
Keep your thought to yourself. This award is meant for the best entrepreneur and not the best people. Cindy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you for the honor and privilege to announce the winner of this prestigious award. I know you all are surprised, but keep your reactions for the main surprise. The winner of the award goes to none other but Mrs. Sharon Matthew K.
Sharon.
Is it my own Sharon?
Yes, Sharon. Your hard work, your zeal, your diligence got you this award. Here is to remind you and everyone here seated, we still award people with greatness in them. Congratulations to you, Sharon.
My sister, apologies, I'm completely mesmerized.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I just this. I would have prepared a better speech. I didn't see this coming.
Don't worry, we understand.
This is really for me. Sharon, this is for. Thank you very much, Jim. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Sit down.
I'm here, Sharon.
Thank you.
Let me do that.
Okay, Daddy.
Sharon.
Come on.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Look, thank you, sir.
Chinsa, I gave you this position. And all you could do is to take advantage of all the young players that came your way.
Chief, it's just this once. They were the ones who threw themselves at me.
Your phone was linked to Cindy's. We saw every of your movements. How you were taking the girls to hotels, squandering the money for this project.
Chief, it's just this once. They were the ones who threw themselves at me.
Chief Zach, don't you dare. Don't lie. You think I met Cindy here, the secretary, for nothing? I brought her here to spy on you. And you saw everything you did.
Dad.
Cindy.
I really do not know how to say this, because Chief Zach has done a whole lot that I can't say with my mouth. I mean, could you believe that he slept with his current PA before employing her?
What? Cindy, are you sure of what you just said? Because Chief Zach and I have been doing this for years. And he is too professional to let this get into his head.
I knew you were going to sound this way. I have evidence.
What evidence?
Daddy, I bumped into them some days ago. So I decided to make a video. Take a look at this.
What? This is totally unacceptable.
Daddy, you need to calm down. I have a feeling that this coming project is going to be worse.
You know what? I am going to make sure you do this contract without his consent. Yes. But I will play along and he will not know what I want to do.
Perfect. That's good.
But that was cruel. Will you shut up, Dad? I thought you had class. I never knew that you were too. Some part. Zach here. I am totally disappointed in you.
And Zach, you didn't tell me Cindy's Chief's daughter. And I believed you. I trusted you. Oh my God. You're a thief. Thief. And you, Adams, why didn't you tell me that Sadie is your sister?
Because that wasn't necessary.
You made me channel my energy to the wrong person.
So next time, you have to do the right thing.
I worked hard for this. I deserve it.
By sleeping with Chief Zach and my brother here.
Hey, sis, don't put me in a mess.
Oh, brother.
Huh? And you stop your mouth. Stop. No wonder you felt wolf. Look at this fool. You went to open your breast. You think you're going to channel all your energy here and the wrong person.
Enough.
Excuse me. Shut up among the girls.
Chief Zach, I don't want to see you anywhere henceforth. You are the type of people that make companies lose qualified and intelligent workers to riffraffs and will never do well. I will never work with you again.
Bloody fool.
Father, she threw herself on me. Madam, I thought you had class. Now I know you don't. A simple assignment, and you failed woefully. What if she threw herself at you? I mean, what happened to the young, disciplined boy that I brought up? She threw herself at you, and you took advantage of them, making them lazy and believe that they could get this thing on a platter of gold.
Father, I didn't know what happened. I was under some sort of spell, something.
Enough. I will forgive you because you are my son.
Thank you, Father.
But you will have to work as an assistant to somebody until you work on yourself.
Come on, Father.
Now get out.
Dad.
Shut up. Cindy,
Yes, Dad.
I am very proud of you. I don't regret my actions. You saved the image of our company.
Thank you, Dad. Of course, you know I learned from the best.
You know what? Get your things ready. You will spend 2 weeks in Dubai. All expense paid.
Dad! Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you,
Yes.
Daddy, thank you so much.
That's my baby girl.
Thank you. I love you, Daddy.
Love you too.
Thank you. Woo! I'm so happy,
Yes.
Daddy.
That is for saving the image of our company.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm so happy. Thank
Yes.
you.
I will need you to stay away from work for a week. I need to clear my head. I made myself clear. It's fine.
she dey come on. She be Hello, everybody. Surprise! Congratulations, madam. Congratulations, madam. You be better person. Since we started the work here, I don't say better money.
I swear.
Madam, we dey pay on time. We don't get anything we know they do for us. Madam, thank you. Congratulations, madam.
You guys bought me a cake.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I won.
Oh, we heard. That's why we say, let's say congratulations.
Thank you so much.
But the drink now for you too.
Oh my days! Oh my goodness! This is for me. Ah! This is for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma,
you love it.
I love it. Jesus, this is huge. This is beautiful.
Thank you, ma.
Jesus Christ. Where did you guys get the money to buy this?
And then we did save.
Just want to show you how much we love you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I just wanted to come and show you guys that I won.
Yes, ma'am. It's a win for all of us, ma'am.
Yes, I need to go and meet my husband. I cannot wait for him to see this. Thank you so much. God bless you guys for me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.